everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is a cookbook kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes with your one and only Carol. And today guys, the cookbook that we are going to work with today, I think this is the second time I'll cook something from this particular cookbook, and I am so excited. Why am I excited? My first video in this channel came from this book. And if you watch my first video, the first video that I did for this particular channel was what's the name of that? What's the name of the video? Pistachio crushed goat cheese salad, and that salad was so yummy. Guys, if you've not watched that video, go ahead and watch that particular video. That salad is wow. The moment I ate that salad, I changed my perspective towards salad. You know, salad sometimes are flat, just greens and all that, but that salad was so nice. So the book that I'm going to cook from this day is Unlocking the Keto Code by Dr. Gundry, Dr. G. Hey, this is the second recipe that I want to try out from this particular book, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. So if you're into keto diet, keto recipes, this is the recipe for you. Get the book. The book is Unlocking the Keto Code by Dr. Gundry, and enjoy. Come along as we try out this particular recipe. I hope you're going to enjoy it, and I hope that you're going to try it out. Let me show you what you're working with today, guys, so that we can begin cooking. Oh, I forgot to tell you what we are cooking. The book calls it MCT Brownies with Spiced Walnut. I know you're wondering, what is MCT? What is MCT, guys? I know the first time I heard of MCT, I was like, MCT, what is MCT? I tell you guys, from these books I have learned a lot. The first time I heard of, I won't lie to you that I knew what MTC oil is. I didn't know. The first time I heard about MCT oil, I heard it from this book, Unlocking the Keto Code, and I had to look for MCT. I'll show you what it is. So karibu. So my people, in today's video, the recipe has two parts. We have the part for the walnuts and we have the parts for the brownies, but all of them we are going to combine later. But let me show you the first part. In the first part, this is what we are working with. I have some chopped walnuts. This is some egg white. I'm going just to measure what I need. So of course you need to check the book to know the measurements for the ingredients. I have some monk fruit sweetener. I have some cinnamon, some salt, and the last thing is I have some black pepper. So that's the first part. Let me make this one first, then I'll show you the second part of the recipe. So my oven is preheating as I begin, because we need to kind of bake the walnuts first before we mix it with the rest of the ingredients. So we are going to mix our walnuts with everything that I've shown you here. And we make sure that, the book says that we make sure that the walnuts are evenly coated with a spice mixture. So this is my egg white. I told you I'll just need to measure what I need, and it is exactly what I needed. Wow, that's nice. So guys, for this particular book, I came across a soft copy of the book online, and the website doesn't work anymore. It's not there. So I got a soft copy of this book online. So that's why I don't have a physical book. So don't worry, why am I not showing you the book? That's the reason why. But of course you've seen a photo of the book, so you know what you're looking for when you're going to buy. We're going to spread the nuts here in this baking sheet and bake them for around 10 to 15 minutes. But you're going to stir them occasionally to make sure that they don't burn. This brownies recipe in a group of schools, not for the polling station. If you're not from Kenya, I know you're wondering what polling station and group of schools. In Kenya, Public schools are usually used as polling stations during elections. So when you hear someone tell you polling station, that's what they're talking about, public schools. A group of schools are those high-end, rich kid vibes. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. This walnut recipe is giving rich kid vibes. So we are going to bake them for 10 to 15 minutes and we will be tossing them occasionally as we continue. So guys, I'll see you when the walnuts are ready, because once they're out of the oven, you need to allow them to cool completely. So it will take some time. See you when I come back. So for the next part, we have some almond flour, we have some monk fruit sweetener, we have some eggs, I have some cocoa powder. This is coconut oil. The book says you can also use goat butter. I wish I found goat butter, but I didn't have, so I'm using coconut oil. This is some baking powder and this is some salt. We're also going to use some vanilla extract, but I'm going to use the vanilla bean paste that I discovered through the book Back to Perfection, and I love the taste of the vanilla bean paste. And of course, what I was talking about, the MCT oil. This is the one that I found. I bought mine at Healthy You. So this is the MCT oil that I was telling you guys. The first time I saw, like, what kind of oil is this? So this is what I'm going to use. So that's it. Let's continue. So we are going to mix the almond flour, the cocoa powder, the baking powder, and the salt. Then after this, the next step that you're going to do is you're going to whisk together the coconut oil, the MCT oil, and the sweetener in a saucepan. Yeah? That's what I'm telling you. This brownies recipe for group of schools, not polling station issues. This one is okay. So I'll measure my MCT oil. This is my coconut oil. Then my monk fruit sweetener. So we are supposed to stir continually until the sweetener incorporates into the oil and the mixture is no longer grainy. So guys, here is my oils and monk fruit sweetener mixture. It's not grainy, but I don't think it has incorporated because I feel like I can see the oil and the sugar and the sweetener down here. We're going to work with it like that. It's not grainy, that's for sure. So let's continue the cooking process. So the next thing we're going to do, we are going to stir in the oil mixture, then into the dry ingredients. And we're supposed to let it sit until it's just warm. No, it's getting hard. My people, it's getting hard. There's so much down here. It's not mixed. Okay, so. And pour. Okay, a group of spoons. I need a spoon to remove this one. It's a G. It's hot. It is hot. Well, okay. Let's put it a bit. that it cools, becomes warm, not cold, becomes warm fast. Our walnuts are here, so I think it's warm enough. The next thing that you're going to do, we're going to stir in the egg one at a time. My egg mixture, I don't know how to divide one at a time, but it's okay. Then after that, let me put the vanilla bean paste here to mix. I'll use the bit of a spoon to remove. Then I mix it with this last egg. Then our walnut. Okay, I was wondering how this mix is going to come. But now it was looking dry as I was beginning to mix, but it looks nice now. Now transfer into our baking tin. Okay. So guys, let's bake this, then I'll see you when it's ready. Look at that. So my people, time to taste. It looks really nice. Wow, why is it falling apart? Mm. 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 My people. Ah, guys. This brownie recipe is up there. Up there. Like I told you, group of schools. This is not a polling station kind of a recipe. Group of schools. It's really nice. And then I love the way, I don't know if you've ever tasted monk fruit sweet, and it's the way it just melts in your mouth. It melts. It just have like a sort of tingling as when it's melted. That's how I feel. So, well, the walnuts, as you bite into the walnuts, then the monk fruit sweetener, it just has the enough balance of chocolate flavor and the sweetener. If you've never tried out a recipe in this book by Dr. Grandin, Unlocking the Keto Code, go get the book. And let this be the first recipe that you try out. Let this be the first recipe that you try out. You will enjoy it. I know this won't last in this house. I know they won't last. They will just end today. It will be over. This is really nice. Especially with some hot milk or coffee. Hey, wadau. Group of school manenos. That's it for today, guys. If I stand here, I'll keep on eating and talking. So try out the recipe. Don't forget the book is Unlocking the Keto Code by Dr. G. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Let me know in the comment section which other recipe do you want me to try out, which other cookbook. I'm open to trying out different cookbooks. Which other cookbook would you want me to buy and try out, and even let me know the cookbooks that you've cooked from, the ones that you've loved, and what do you think so far of the recipes that we've tried out. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye and God bless. Wacha mimi jibambe. Group of schools recipes. Hey!